17, 1964. What day it is? It's Tuesday. So today we'll learn how to find the day of the week for any date in just 2 seconds. And in your mind. Please subscribe my channel and stay connected. At first, we need to find the values of K, M, D and C. K means date number. For example, 12th April 2012. Here K equals to 12. M means month number. Look at the chart. From the chart we can find the values of M for different months. For example, 12th April 2012, here M equals to 2. D means last 2 digits of the year. But if the month is January or February, then D will be the last 2 digits of the year minus 1. For example, 12th April 2012, here D equals to 12. But for 12th February 2012, here D equals to 12 minus 1 equals to 11. Now C means first 2 digits of the year. For example, 12th April 2012, here C equals to 20. Now we need to memorize a formula which is given below. Look at the formula and try to memorize this. Here, this sign means floor function. This function gives the lowest integer of any fraction. For example, floor function of 3.7, which equals to 3. Another example, floor function of 7.3, which gives us 7. Then we have to divide the value of f by 7 and find the remainder. But if f becomes negative, then the number which is needed to add with f for f becoming completely divisible by 7 is the remainder. Now look at the chart and find the day for the value of f. Example. What is the day of 15th May 1954? So here K equals to 15, M equals to 3, D equals to 54, C equals to 19. So now put these values in the formula. Then we get f equals to 15 plus 7 plus 54 plus 13 plus 4 minus 38, which equals to 55. By dividing the value of f, which is 55, with 7, the remainder is 6. Now from the chart, we get for 6, the day is Saturday. So 15th May 1954 is Saturday. Thank you.